In this one, you have to find the integration of 1 plus tan pi by 8 minus of x and 1 plus tan pi by 8 plus of x. So there is one property that is given as if I am writing a plus b is equal to pi by 4. So the value of 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b, that is equal to pi, that is equal to 2. Now let's check the value. If I'm writing a as equal to pi by 8 minus of x, and if I'm writing b is equal to pi by 8 plus of x, if I will add these two values, you will get the value as 2 pi by 8, that is equal to pi by 4. Now everything can be written as 1 plus tan pi by 8 minus of x, that is equal to 2 into dx, and that turns out to be 2x plus c. So this is the answer that you will get, that is equal to 2x plus c.